Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated YouTube channel to my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. I'm not an expert. This is just me sharing the watches that I pick up, the watches that we're blessed with, and the watches that I find interesting. And in today's episode, I have something super special because the awesome folks over at D1 Milano actually sent me a bunch of watches to unbox and share with you guys. Now this is the great news. They even sent a piece, one watch, that I'll be raffling away to one of you. Oh, exciting! Let's go! Now let's kick things off with the original D1 Milano watch that I have. This is the D1 Milano chronograph gear, and I immediately fell in love with this watch because it has my favorite colors, which are black and orange. So it features a mecha quartz movement from Seiko. It has that super awesome polish for the case, the black and orange motif, as well as that really kick-ass strap that it comes with. Now, the next watch that they sent over was actually this. I've already taken it out of the box. This one is the D1 Milano chronograph in a stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. One thing that I absolutely love about this watch, it's really the finish. It's the polish of everything from the bracelet to the case to the dial. It is absolutely stunning. In a sentence, I feel like whatever the movement lacked, because it is mecha quartz, they made up with polish and the overall vibe and look to justify the price that it sells for. By the way, if you guys want to pick up this particular watch or this watch, they sell usually for around 20,000 pesos. But if you use the discount code and the details in the link in the description box below, you can get up to 30% off. Now, what I love about this chronograph as well in stainless steel is that apart from the sporty vibe, it also gives you a very elegant look, making it a super versatile watch. Either you want to wear it on a relaxed day and you just want something sporty on your wrist, or if you need like a work watch that looks good, that exudes a certain level of, I don't know, like authority or elegance, this might do the trick as well. So I just find it to be a nice versatile watch at the 20,000 peso price point. And yes, to those who are wondering, there is a Sphinx cat behind me. That is our cat Cleo. Yeah, she doesn't have hair. Sphinx. Now, apart from those two chronographs, D1 Milano also sent this one, which is their Commando collection. So this is the D1 Milano Commando. So let's take a closer look. So this one, if you guys, wow, this is nice. It comes in this really nice polished black case. You have the dial, which is black, and then wow, it looks like the hands are kind of recessed, or there's some sort of like it's kind of, you know, submerged. I don't know how they did that look, but it looks absolutely stunning. And it also comes with this NATO strap, so it is more relaxed. It is more for the weekend, and it is more for non-formal occasion. So if you want like a relaxed version of the chronograph that I showed you earlier, you can go for this one. Again, this is part of their Commando collection. So the cat is literally climbing my Funko Pop wall. If you want to know more about the features of the D1 Milano chronograph, if you want to know more about the movement and all the other technical details, make sure that you guys check out my review of this watch. I will link it down below because pretty much everything inside here is the one that you will find over here. And again, if you want like a more affordable option that's not necessarily a chronograph, you might want to take a look at this more relaxed Commando version. Let me know which of the three you guys are vibing with, which of the three you like the most, and I will be replying to as many of you as possible in the comment section down below. Now, before we end the vlog, I just want to share with you one more unboxing. So this is another piece that they sent, which will be given away on my Instagram account. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, it's linked down below. Check it out. Click it, follow me there. I usually post about sneakers, gadgets, or watches. Those are the three things that I'm passionate about. And this one is from the brand Fonderia. So this brand is also distributed by the local distributors of D1 Milano here in the Philippines. And this one is a vintage-inspired watch. And wow. So here you have it. This is the Fonderia vintage-inspired or vintage-style watch. As you can see, it has some sort of like chronograph similar to what we saw with the D1 Milano. And this one features a really nice leather strap. As you can see over here, has exposed stitching to give it a more, I don't know, like classic vibe. Stainless steel black case. You have a chronograph function. You have the chronograph pushers on the side, and it has some sort of like panda vibe going. So if you guys want this watch, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll probably do a separate video on this watch as a follow-up to the giveaway. So watch out for that in the next few days. And that wraps up this vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out once again to all the awesome people over at D1 Milano. I appreciate you guys. I am really liking the stainless steel watch. And that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the link down below to avail of that massive discount so that if any of these watches talk to you, you can get them at a good price here in the Philippines. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless. What's up? See you on Instagram. Boom.